Solve how to fix Valorant crashing on Windows PC. 1. Make sure your specs meet the minimum requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Close resource-hungry software via WTM. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Install all Windows updates. 5. Stop overclocking. 6. 7. Temporarily disable your antivirus. 8. Perform a clean boot. 9. Uninstall then reinstall Valorant and Vanguard.